Okay, for this activity, you're going to take this slide in Google Slides and you're going to decorate it to make a poster to remind yourself that when you come across something on the internet that's not appropriate, your response needs to be immediately leave and tell. So let's talk about a couple of ways you can decorate this. The easiest thing to do would be to change the background color. So to do that, if you click over here on the slide, you'll notice you've got these editing tools and background appears. So if you click on background, you can click up here where the color is and you can click any one of these colors, or you can go down here to custom and get any shade of any color you would like. So let's say I want to go with a lighter green. Then when I click OK and done, it turns my slide green. Now there's a couple of other things you can do. If you want to change the font color here, and let's say I don't want it black, then watch what happens when I click on this text box. Do you see this cursor blinking in here? That means I can edit what's inside here by selecting what I need. So if I wanted to change the color of each one of these letters, I could just select the L, go up here to the letter color, then I could select the E, change it to a different color, then the A. So I could select each one of these letters individually, or I could click off, as soon as I click on and that cursor's blinking, if I want to select the whole thing, I'm going to click on it again. See that it's got this blue editing square around it, and there's no cursor blinking. That means that whatever I choose is going to apply to everything inside the text box. So if I go up here and let's say I'm going to make it this dark blue, then it applies to everything. So you can change the font color. You can go up here to the style. Maybe I don't like that style and I want that style. Well, that made it a little too big for this slide, so I can go down here, go over here, and I can change the size of it, but I've got to click on the entire text box and I can make it smaller. I do want this to be fairly large though, so that would work right there. Now you can also add pictures to this. So if I go down here to my Explore button, I can search on the internet for images, and let's say I like dragonflies. I'm going to type the word dragonfly, clip art in here. I'm going to go to images, and I can get one of these images. So I like this one right here. I'm going to click on him. Just like you did earlier, click insert, and that's going to put the image in my slide, and then I can go up here to one of these blue handles, the little squares, and I can resize him. I can even rotate him a little bit. So I'm going to decorate my slide. I can also use shapes to decorate my slide. So I can go up here and I can choose, let's say I want a circle. And I'm going to drag a circle right here. I'm going to go up here and color it with the fill tool. I'm going to make that circle yellow. I'm going to click the outline, and I don't want an outline. Then I can duplicate that circle by holding down Command C and then tapping Command V to paste. I'm going to drag a whole row of circles here, Command V to paste. See that red line? It's showing me that they are lined up. So I can make a whole row of circles. So if I wanted to take these circles, I can select all of them right here, drag them over here. Then I can Command C, Command V, paste those. I can put that same border over here, and I can make my little dragonfly a little smaller. So that's how you're going to create your poster. And once you have your poster created, then you're simply going to close out of this tab, and then in Google Classroom, you're going to click Turn In.